What you can see on the screen is a trade that I have currently open on the AUD CHF currency pair, the Australian dollar versus the Swiss franc. And I'm trading this with my OANDA brokerage account connected to TradingView.com. Now I've done a full video on how exactly to connect everything to your TradingView.com through your OANDA account. Just as a quick recap, in order to log in, simply navigate to the bottom left to the account manager, and then you can simply log in, follow the prompts that are there. But once you're logged in, how do we make sure that we are trading the right chart? Sometimes people face an issue in which they try to place trades on a chart, but there is no ability to trade that chart. You have to make sure that you are using OANDA's version of the underlying symbol you want to trade. To better show this as an example, if you click on the symbol search and you type in a currency pair like AUD CHF, what you'll notice is that there are many different charts for the same currency pair. To make sure that you can actually place trades with your OANDA account connected once logged in, you'll need to make sure that you select specifically the one for OANDA. You can see this being the top icon here on the list. If you try to use any of the other symbols, you will get errors when trying to place trades. So first and foremost, when doing symbol search, make sure that you select specifically the one offered by OANDA. Now, here is a quick tip that you can do to make sure that when you do searches, you only pull up OANDA offered symbols. What you'll want to do here is you can see the little OANDA icon, and when I hover over this, you can see text that says, show the markets you can place an order with OANDA. So simply click this to turn it on, and what you'll see is that the only search result available now is OANDA related charts. If I clear my search, you can see all sorts of different offered products by OANDA. Please note that some will or will not be offered to you depending on where your place of residence is, as not all products are universally offered. And now you can see if I type in something like EUR, I have many different currency pairs with the euro involved in them that I can place trades directly on with OANDA. So if I click on Euro USD, now if you simply navigate to the trade icon here, we can now place trades directly on this chart. And one thing you can do that I think is very helpful is to create a watch list specifically with OANDA created currency pairs. So when you are in your watch list, simply go in here and click the plus button. This will allow you to add a symbol, and you can see we still have OANDA selected. And to add one to our watch list, once doing this, you can just see there's a plus icon if I want to add that to my list of different things that I can track. This makes it highly convenient for future trading where I may want to jump over to a specific currency pair and skip the process of making sure I'm looking at the right symbol, since I have it saved to my watch list for future use. I hope this helps, as this is often a common question with connecting TradingView and OANDA. And with that said, thank you very much for watching.